Namaskaram and welcome to all the beautiful ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive handwoven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest PML store to have a look at the beautiful collection of sarees just like the one that I will be showing in today's episode. So ladies, I'm wearing a beautiful green and pink color Paithani saree. These sarees are very royal and let me first show you the details of this one. On the body of this gorgeous saree, we have small floral booties in gold zari, giving it a very delicate and very elegant look. The beautiful border in pink color has florals and peacocks in gold zari, adding a lovely shine to the pink color. Our pallu has gold zari kadi and on that we have beautiful floral booties in gold zari again. And a lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. So ladies, let's get started with the first saree from today's collection. Moving on to it now. I have a very beautiful pink with blue color Paithani saree here and let me show you the details now. On the body of this one, we have peacocks and drop buttis, all the work in gold zari. But you can see small added detailing is in green color thread work too, adding a beautiful contrast with the pink color. Our border, which is in blue color, has diamonds in gold zari. So very simple yet very elegant work. And the very gorgeous pallu has gold zari kadi all over it along with the florals and leaves jal and peacocks. And then we have temples and we have small arrows here. Beautiful design is there in gold zari along with the paisleys and peacocks in circular floral buttis. Here's the contrasting blouse for a beautiful pink saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Here's another lovely saree. This one is in beautiful yellow with purple color. Let me show you the details. So on the body of this one, we have floral buttis in gold zari. And the gold zari looks very subtle yet adds a beautiful shine to the already lovely and bright color yellow. The border, which is in blue color, has temples and diamonds in lines in gold zari. The lovely Paithani style pallu has floral buttis with peacocks inside them. And then we have flower vases with florals, parrots and peacocks, and all this beautiful work is very colorful on the gold zari kadi. Here's the contrasting blouse for your saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, the cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here's a classic combination of green with red, and let me show you the details right away. On the body of this one, we have peacock buttis in gold zari and drop buttis also in gold zari with small added detailing in red color thread work, which is adding a beautiful contrast with the green color body. Here's the red color contrasting border, which has diamonds in lines in gold zari with small temples on the edge as well. And the lovely contrasting pallu, which has circular floral buttis with peacocks inside them. And then we have peacocks with florals and leaves jal. We have peacocks and florals with parrots as well. And all this work is on gold zari kadi. Here's the lovely contrasting blouse for the saree, and to place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, the weaver's prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here I have a beautiful blue with red color Paithani saree, and on the body of this one, we have small floral buttis in gold zari, which is giving a very delicate and elegant look to your saree. The contrasting border, which is in red color, has temples on the edge, and then we have peacocks here with small cross lines and florals in gold zari. Here's the beautiful contrasting pallu, which has lovely gold zari work over it. So we have peacocks, floral buttis, zari lines and gold zari kadi. Over that we have paisleys, and in that we have a lot of floral detailing, all the work in gorgeous gold zari. And here's the lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can shop from our website kanchivml.com by clicking on these links in the description, and by that you can add this beautiful saree and many more such beautiful sarees to your cart and place the order right away. Here's a beautiful violet with pink color Paithani saree. And on the body of this one, we have small floral buttis in gold zari, which is adding a lovely shine and making the saree very elegant and pretty too. The border, which is in pink color, has temples on the edge. We have leaves, cross lines and peacocks with florals in gold zari. Here's the lovely contrasting pallu. Here's the beautiful contrasting pallu. It has peacocks, floral buttees, cross lines in gold zari, and then huge paisleys buttees with a lot of floral detailing inside them in gold zari. A beautiful contrasting blouse for your sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop through online video calling. You just need to take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a video call at your time of convenience. And then they will show you all the beautiful saris in various colors and price ranges too. Here's the next gorgeous sari from Paithani collection in green and red color. And on the body of this beautiful sari, we have small floral buttees in gold zari, making the sari look so delicate, so pretty and elegant. The border in bright red color has temples on the edge. We have leaves, cross lines and peacocks with florals in gold zari too. Here's the lovely contrasting pallu. It has peacocks, floral buttees, cross lines in gold zari with huge paisleys with a lot of floral detailing inside them in gold zari. A beautiful contrasting blouse for your green sari, and to place an order, just take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The Weavers prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your order right away. Dear ladies, you can shop from our website kanchivml.com, and you can also shop through online video calling. Dear gorgeous ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode about lovely and beautiful Royal Paithani saris. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.